Okay guys, we here now in Walmart parking lot. Yeah. There's RJ. It start to snowing now. 3 o'clock. Snow. Yes, look at that snow. Oh my goodness, so cold. RJ, poor RJ is takiang na RJ. It's so cold. My goodness, it's snowing, RJ. There's my RJ. Look at that there. Have a lot of car. Still Black Friday today, Anna?
Yesterday.
Ooh, Black Friday. Oh, so cold. Today is Black Friday, mga higala. Mayroong sale, ang daming tao dito. Full the parking lot. Grabe. Yung mga tao, ang dami nang binili nila. Hindi namin alam kung mayroon kaming bibilhin dito. Yan, Walmart. It's so cold. Okay guys, we here now inside the Walmart. Here's RJ. What? Ooh, look at that. Christmas house, RJ.
Gingerbread house.
Yep. Gingerbread. There is Walmart.
Where do you want to go?
Okay, where are we going? Not now.
Milk and water?
Yeah. RJ, ride so that you not hurt your knee. Go ride. Archie, ride na. Go ride because you're hurting. Your knee is no good. No. Now we go here. Go get water. The arrowhead, but small. Here's RJ looking for a winter boots. I hope that is fit. There is.
These $60.
49.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's gonna have.
I'm looking here. They have boots. Other boots. Yes. 44, so expensive, huh? My goodness. But these boots, $69.80. Okay.
Something
I
like
can't get
there.
them off. You get them off, Paul. Paul,
What?
pull them off. They don't come off.
Cannot come off?
Yeah, if you pull, maybe it will.
Pull it. Pull.
Put the
Yeah.
camera down.
There is RJ. Ah, there you go. Like that. $50. My goodness, RJ.
These are insulated. The other ones down there are $29, not insulated.
Yeah, these are very
we have to tie
warm.
the lace one too.
Yeah, it's warm this.
You want?
Nice, this is warm. What's up?
We're done.
Waterproof.
Let's get out of here. That's the main reason we came here.
Waterproof, RJ.
Ow,
They
it's
don't
gonna
have
make me slip off the bench and break my bone.
Okay, go, fall. Fall, RJ.
You pull.
Careful, your foot not want to be
But I
hurt.
want it with what is that for girls?
Yep, mine.
You
Mine.
want it already? What are they, 50
Here.
bucks too?
30.
60?
30. It look like so small, honey. 6.5.
Try it on.
No, I want 7.
Here.
Here is RG.
Doesn't he have a moment like this?
No.
Let's get out of here.
There is in the boys' clothes here. Not like RJ the jacket. Okay, here we go. It's the TV sale. What you want there, RJ? Piece for 41. What?
These are the cheap ones, 20 bucks.
Yep, that have no battery. Oh, here is battery 11. GoPro 11. Have no GoPro 8. Is
What
10.
number you got? 9? 7?
8.
You have 8?
Yeah.
You'll buy that online. Why you want to look here for it? It's fine. You should have had that online already in the basket.
Have no 8. Battery. Okay, I have nothing here. You lucky you have that.
Hey, I'm just gonna ask you if you want a 3-year protection for $52.
I got a 1 year book store. 1 year.
Through Sony, yeah. Okay, if you want to answer no, then I'll skip there if you don't want.
What you think that RJ? You have PS5 for Christmas present. You have so many games now, RJ. Okay.
Let me cross off the list.
Okay. And have a boots
Message
too.
lunch,
You lucky that,
What does
RJ.
it come with?
banana, apple pie. Went to go.
Here's RJ, a PlayStation now, mga higala. Here's it's 500. How much on it?
$4.99. A video for 50.
500, RJ.
No, $5.50.
My goodness.
$5.99.
5.99. Oh my God, almost
Paid
6.
to go in place.
Okay, we go now. Okay, we go to the box now. Okay. Here we go now. No, RJ, let's go. Okay guys, mga higala, diri na po to sa socks for daddy. Where is the socks, RJ? I not see.
After 2 years, we finally got the PS5. 2 years after.
Oh, here, Anna. Have socks here. What, RJ? What you say? My God. Have a lot that RJ money,
Would
RJ.
be $499
So expensive.
at the game.
RJ
The
coping.
game costs.
My goodness. Okay. Okay guys, we're here now. We're looking for a box container. There he is. Where are the boxes here? There's a big box for the stuff. Like that? Up is 5, is 4. You like that, RJ?
825 gigabytes.
Yeah. My goodness.
Look over here. 8K, 4K, 120, HDR.
Okay, go.
Read this. Those ones?
I have no wheels. Have no wheels. Post. There you go.
What's the price? 17, 16?
Maybe that. So expensive. Okay guys, we found now. Here we get the box container that Abdadi. Okay, let's go. Okay, we look at a Batman, RJ. Look at the Batman. Poor RJ, takiang na RJ. You found a Batman. A Batman, RJ. Okay, come here na. Hindi. Come here. Okay. I go to the Batman. Okay. Charan, charan. Here is.
For the new iPhone or Android. That's right, a free $500 gift card for the new iPhone or Android. For more information, please come back to electronics. As always, shop your local Walmart.
I don't see it. These bathrooms,
Yeah,
put you wrong.
it's no good. Smaller, honey. This, honey. You like this? Oh, good.
What?
You not want to buy?
Find it?
I not know. Where is better? This? Why this is so thick?
What is it for? Kitchen?
This, honey. Ta-da!
Ugly.
Ugly. Yeah, always ugly. Oh, RJ, be careful, RJ. I not know, honey. Here is the butt mat. Yes, you have before, honey.
So we get 2 new ones. What's the same?
Here.
$1,000 bill.
Yo, so many.
Oh, wait,
now.
look. Wait, look.
How many are in here?
This is how long it is. Look.
It's just one?
Small.
Look. See?
Yeah, one.
Look. Look right here.
One piece, this, honey. So one piece.
Set of 2. This set of 2.
One
No.
piece. How much? See, look at the price. 24. 24.16. That's the blue that you got. Or honey, that's the blue.
It's a slippery, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, well, mine.
slippery. Ang mahal ng batmat. Maybe here. This batmat, this too. This RJ. Here, honey, oh, batmat. See?
Find green, you know? Come on.
A green. Let's have no other. There you go. Maybe here. Oh, up here. Here, honey. Tara.
Here, get the green one. It's out. Everyone else got it.
A black, honey. Here. Is the black. Tara. Small.
All we need.
Have other. In here. Here is. Tara, here bigger, honey. Oh, this nice. Honey. 18, honey. This, honey, nice. No good that, honey.
No.
This are the black. Not
With the blue?
see the black.
That's it?
Yeah, see. Nice. This black. Oh, butt rug. We call a butt rug now. Here, honey.
Big yellow. I'm tired of looking.
Oh, have other here too.
Maybe let's see what it is.
There's a brown, honey. See?
Get light blue. A little dark
This.
blue.
This better. Honey. Okay, that.
That's too big. This one somewhat matches the others.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. The blue one.
$18.
A what? Okay, let's go now, RJ. No, RJ. Poor RJ. Here we go. Let's go na, let's go. Look at this, $1,000. Okay, go. $1,000 daw this the bill, RJ. My goodness. RJ. Okay. Okay, you push. Slowly walk. We're done. We're done now shopping, mga higala. Ang tagal dito. There you go. Okay guys, we're here now in outside, still snowing. Look at that. Here's RJ, here's Walmart.
The PlayStation.
Cover your PlayStation. Look where, RJ. Wala is crush.
PlayStation.
Oh, it's so cold. Super cold. It's so far away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Our car is the last. The last. RJ. Oh no! There you go. There you go. We go here. We go.
No, you're gonna break the PlayStation.
I know. Come on, slowly. No, no.
Station.
There you go. Yeah, be careful the car, Arjen. There you go. Yeah, we here.
First I go in. Look at all that water.
Look at that water there.
Okay, son. Pick it up.
It's so heavy.
Get it in all the way to the back.
Yep. Oh. There you go.
It's safe.
It's safe now. Safe. It's safe, Arjen. There you go. Whew. Grabe. Katog now. It's so cold, RJ. There you go. There you go. Cannot fit here.
Go in the seat.
Okay.
Sit next to it.
Bleh.
You gotta open the car.
Salak.
Finally.
Whew, it's so cold, RJ. Oh. Okay, RJ. Put that there. Yeah. There you go. Okay, that's it for now, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Peace.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this.